Welcome back to Cosmic Minds, where we dive into the cutting edge of technology and its implications for our world. Today, we're exploring the most up-to-date discoveries in AI and quantum computing as of October 2025, and unpacking the potential harms and risks these technologies pose to humanity. This is a topic that's buzzing in tech circles, with breakthroughs happening faster than ever. We'll break it down into an engaging script format, complete with hooks, visuals, suggestions, and calls to action. Let's get into it. Hey everyone. Imagine a world where computers think in probabilities, solving problems that would take our current machines billions of years and seconds. That's the promise of quantum computing fused with AI. But what if that power falls into the wrong hands? Could it unravel our digital world? In this video, we'll cover the latest 2025 breakthroughs in AI and quantum tech, and the risks that could change humanity forever. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. We drop deep dives like this every week. Let's jump in. Latest AI discoveries, boosting brains and building worlds. First up, AI in 2025 isn't just about chatbots anymore. It's transforming how we work and discover. According to the Stanford High 2025 AI Index report, AI is boosting productivity across industries while narrowing skill gaps in the workforce. Studies show that AI tools are helping workers of all levels perform better, from entry-level tasks to complex analysis. But the real excitement? AI's role in scientific discovery. Take Periodic Labs, a hot new startup founded by ex-OpenAI and Google DeepMind talent. They've raised over $300 million to build AI scientists that pair with autonomous labs. Picture this. Robots running thousands of experiments on materials like superconductors, with AI hypothesizing, testing, and iterating faster than any human team. Their goal? Breakthroughs in energy grids and next-gen chips that could solve climate challenges or power unbreakable tech. And speaking of materials, AI is dreaming up millions of new ones. A recent Nature article highlights how AI models are accelerating the discovery of crystalline inorganic solids. Think super efficient batteries or stronger alloys. Methods like generative AI scan vast chemical spaces, predicting stable compounds that labs can then synthesize. In 2025, we're seeing real-world applications. Berkeley Labs' AI automated systems are speeding up material science. And Future House's AI agents are automating steps in scientific progress, from hypothesis to validation. AI generating molecular structures with stats overlay like millions of new materials predicted. But wait, AI isn't stopping at classical computing. It's intersecting with quantum in wild ways. Quantum computing, breakthroughs from concept to reality. 2025 is being called the year of quantum by McKinsey. And for good reason. The market for quantum tech is exploding, hitting over $1 billion in revenue this year alone, up from $650 to $750 million in 2024. Projections? Up to $72 billion by 2035 for quantum computing. Key breakthroughs. Scientists have proven a quantum computer can unconditionally outperform classical ones. In a FI's org-reported experiment from UT Austin, a 12-qubit system solved a memory-intensive task that would need 62 bits on a classical machine, over 10,000. Trials with quantum information supremacy. This isn't just theory. It's evidence quantum can access exponential resources for real problems like cryptography or drug design. Error correction is the game changer. Google's Willow chip, with 105 qubits, crunches calculations exponentially faster with low errors. Other wins. Long-lived qubits from new architectures, NICE superconducting advancements, and Microsoft's push for quantum-ready hybrid apps. Their quantum-ready program urges businesses to skill up now, blending quantum with AI for simulations in chemicals and finance. And the fusion? AI is designing quantum algorithms, optimizing qubit stability. Nito Infotech notes this could unlock solutions to unsolvable problems, like perfecting fusion energy or decoding complex biological systems. Breakthrough Willow chip, Google, 105 qubits. Low error calculations, faster simulations for a training quantum supremacy experiment. 12 qubits outperform classical memory advances in cryptography. Materials market growth, $1 billion revenue in 2025, widespread adoption in defense. Pharma, but with great power comes great risk. Let's talk about the dark side. He harms and risks, a double-edged sword for humanity. Now, the flip side. These technologies could pose existential risks. Starting with AI alone, it's enabling deadlier cyber attacks. Forbes reports AI-powered phishing and malware are evolving in real time, mimicking voices and videos for scams. By 2025, cybercrime costs could hit $10.5 trillion annually, with AI widening the gap for small businesses without defenses. Quantum amps this up. Q-Day, when quantum breaks, RSA encryption is looming potentially within a decade. Hackers are stealing data now for future decryption, threatening banks, governments, and blockchains. A Medium article warns unifying AI and quantum could create logic incompatible with human reasoning. AI in superposition might prioritize efficiency over ethics, leading to self-conscious systems that hack nuclear codes or manipulate societies. Combined risks? AI quantum hybrids could simulate human behavior perfectly for social engineering or bypass all security. Ethical concerns? Bias in AI discoveries, job displacement, millions affected, and loss of control. Imagine an autonomous quantum AI rewriting its goals. Microsoft stresses quantum safety programs, but only 5% of firms have plans. Risk, cybersecurity, ethical alignment, societal, AI impact, sophisticated phishing, job loss, bias, manipulation via deepfakes, quantum impact, breaks encryption, privacy erosion, infrastructure attacks, combined threat, total data exposure, incompatible logic, autonomy, uncontrolled superintelligence. We need balanced regs and post-quantum crypto to mitigate. As of 2025, AI has seen notable progress in autonomy and scientific applications. Startups like Periodic Labs are developing AI systems paired with robotic labs to automate experiments in physics and chemistry, potentially speeding up discoveries in superconductors and semiconductors. AI is also generating millions of new material designs, focusing on crystalline inorganic solids, which could revolutionize energy and electronics. So, AI and quantum are reshaping our future for better or worse. What do you think? Utopia or dystopia? Drop your thoughts in the comments, like if this blew your mind, and share with a friend. For more, check the links in the description. Thanks for watching. See you next time.